Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have two new words to add to your vocabulary. Are you ready to learn how to say them and what they mean? Let's get started. Our first word is emblazon. Emblazon. When something is emblazoned, it means it's decorated or adorned in a noticeable, colorful, and eye-catching way. Think of it like putting a big, bright emblem or design on something to make it stand out. Here is a sentence example. The team's logo was emblazoned on the baseball caps. Our second word is nugatory. Nugatory. This is a fancy word for something that's trivial, unimportant, or of little value. It's a way of saying that something isn't worth much or doesn't matter much in the grand scheme of things. Here is a sentence example. The company's attempt to sue its rival for a trivial matter was dismissed by the judge as nugatory. That's it for this video, folks. Keep practicing and have fun learning new words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.